Today we are going to make a project using shapes and symmetry. The shape we're going to use is a heart shape, and if you look at the shape of a heart, if you cut it in half, it's the same on each side. That means it's symmetrical. The papers you have today are a pink paper that you're going to write your name on, and a white paper that already has 3 lines traced on the side. The very first step, if you know how to write your name, you need to write your name in the bottom corner. If not, that's okay. I will walk around and help you write your name. On the folded white paper, you are going to very carefully hold it with one hand and pick up your pair of scissors with your other hand. You will cut along the line while the paper is folded. If you open this paper up and try to cut it, it will not work and it will not be symmetrical. Okay, so after I cut out one, I'm going to open it up and see what shape I have. I have a heart shape. So now I'm going to keep cutting out my next 2 hearts. One left. Okay, now that I've cut out 3 heart shapes, I have 3 different sizes. There's a large, medium, and small. Now this paper that we cut it out of, you might have guessed, this is trash. So we're going to throw this away during cleanup time. Now we want to make sure our hearts are colorful. So we have an egg carton full of paint, and we want our hearts to be painted symmetrically. Remember, symmetrically means the same on each side. So what we will do on the inside, see how it opens up like a book? You're going to open up your egg carton, find a Q-tip, and you're just going to take on only one side. You do not paint both sides, just one. You're going to make a few dots with each color. You can switch colors. So now I have filled one side of my heart with several dots, only on one half. Now I want dots to be on both sides of my heart. So what I need to do next is fold it in half like a book. While it's folded, you're going to have to push down on one side and smooth it out. Now let's see what happens when I open it back up. Wow, so cool. Now my dots have been transferred and they are on each side. After you have worked on one heart and got color on it with paint, then you can open up your glue bottle. You may put a few dots of glue on the back, find a spot on your paper, and carefully stick it on the paper. You will continue to do this with your next 2 hearts. Remember only to put dots on one side of your heart. Do not put dots on both sides. Okay, let's try one more time, see what happens. Hopefully the same thing. Remember to rub it smooth so all the paint spreads. If you got too much paint, some of it might come out the sides. Okay, open it back up. Voila! Paint has been transferred to each side. Okay, my last heart. And now our project is complete.